I give you task to print 1 to 100 numbers in Python. How can you print this? Think about it. You can print this using 100 times print function, but it is lengthy process and as a developer you should avoid this. So Python has one more technique to solve this type of problem, and this technique is known as loop. So what is loops in Python? Basically, loops allows to us execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. Python has following loops such as for loop, while loop, and do while loop. But in this session, I will tell you about for loop. We can use the concept of for loop using for keyword. For keyword is used for looping. In Python, for loops are iterators and it is used for repeat the program. In Python, we can use it with any type of sequences like string, list, and tuples. I'm going to show you how can we print 1 to 100 numbers in Python using for loop. Firstly, I'm going to write the code and then I will explain to you how is it working. For I in range, I am providing range 1 to 101 and put the colon and press the enter button and print I. Now you will see output printed on the screen. Now I'm going to explain to you how range function work. Range function is built-in Python function and it is very popular and widely used function in Python. When we want to run our code a specified numbers of time, then we can use the range function. It returns a sequence of integers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1. It is also by default until j-1. It means if I am providing a range 0 to 7, it will generate integers from 0 to 6, not 0 to 7. Let's move on the previous example where I explained to you how to print 1 to 100 numbers in Python. Now, in this example, I provided range from 1 to 101. As we know that here range will generate integer value from 1 to 100 and with the help of in operators, I holds those value which is returned by range function, and we know here range function return 1 to 100 value. So it means 1 to 100 value will be printed on screen.